You're gonna have to.
Where do you think I hit him?
You need to go through the top like a tree stand, like Chuck shot that elk. I don't think he liked that. Where'd you get him?
I'm not real sure.
There was another one up here.
I heard him go down.
There was another one up here though, behind you.
Make him in the lungs.
How do you zoom in on the deer?
There's a top thing. It says T and Y.
That's a 67-yard shot, folks. I ranged it. I'm not sure where he shot it, but he broke its back. That's a nice buck. Is that 2 by 3?
That's stupid. I might have to mount him. I need to kill him first.
He's dying, ain't he?
Yeah. So,
We got a long trip ahead of us there, mister. You got a radio? I think you got a lung.
yeah.
Oh, sorry. How far did you figure him before you shot?
I don't know.
Is he dead?
I think so. Chuck, can you hear me?
Go get Steve and get a four-wheeler up here.
Chuck, it's Doug. Can you hear me? Doug to Chucky, come in. Hey, buddy, what's up?
Not much. What's up with you?
I need a four-wheeler.
You wouldn't want to do us a big favor, would you?
What's that?
Here. I don't know how to turn it off.
Just push that button again. On the back.
That one, the motorcycles, and get them up here.
Smell pretty cool, huh? It was a good time.
Very cool.